Hello everyone, my name is Isaac and I welcome you to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to go through the Teachers Feed Exeat Management System, which is called the EM-PES. EM is the Exeat Management and the PES is Parent Engagement System. This system is in two folds. Schools are able to use it to manage Exeat and parents to be able to be engaged and get in touch with the school and know how their children are actually taking Exeat and all those stuff. So we're going to go through this entire system for you to understand how the system actually works. So you can take your time and visit our platform tfexeat.lineup.com. Then you go through and read and understand how the system actually works, the privacy policy, the terms of service, data protection, and everything, for you to know how everything actually works. So let's create an account. So if you are a new school, you can just come to get started, then you come to register organization, then you write the name of your school. So let me create a school, my first school SHS. Then your region, where is the school located? Is it in a district or municipal? So you just write that over here. Then the location. So what is the name of the head teacher? What is the phone number? What is the email? So let me change this email. Then you go to, let me copy because I'm going to use this email again. So who is going to be the administrator for the Exeat system for the school? So you write your name, then you set your email. Now you set a password you will use to access the system as an administrator. Then you click on complete registration. So the school has now been created. Now you can log into your system. Okay, so sign in. Good. So let me close this. I had these errors. Okay, good. So now when you create an account, you now log into the system. So this will be the dashboard. So this will be the dashboard, the name of the school code, and identifying as an admin. So you have these sessions over here, the main menu, the parents, the student, the administration, and the help and support. In my next video, we are going to learn how to understand, or I'm going to guide you to understand the entire system. Okay, the entire system. Thank you for watching.